Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, we are going to do very important topic for E2 level German, H2, Deutsch, Sprechen, Teil 3. This is our Teil 3 and in this Teil, we will talk about how to discuss about a particular topic and you have to come to a conclusion. Suppose you are planning an activity together, your schedule is busy, both of you will get the same question paper, same Arbeitsblatt, and you have to come to a conclusion in the end. Your schedule will be written over there, and you have to discuss, you have to talk, and then you have to come to a conclusion at the end. So it's a Partner Arbeit Teil 3 A2 level German. So suppose the topic is Sie möchten zusammen am Abend ins Kino gehen. Okay, you would like to go to the cinema in the evening. So how will you do this? How will you manage? So there is a schedule, proper schedule is given to you. So how will you manage? You have to do this. So here you will get like this. This is your thema and then partner A and then partner B. Okay, this is the schedule will be given like Montag. Suppose Montag haben Sie Fitnessclub, Sie gehen in Fitness, und dann Dienstag, Donnerstag, Mittwoch before that, then Freitag and then Samstag. So likewise, on Montag, the B is frei, aber Sie haben nicht frei. B is free, but you are not free. Similarly, Dienstag, you will go for volleyball, okay, and you will have Sprachkurs, you have language course. Similarly, on Mittwoch, B has a meeting, okay, Treffen with someone, and then you have on Mittwoch, you are free, and then Donnerstag, you have Einkaufen plan, shopping plan, and your friend has again Sprachkurs. And then on Freitag, you are free. Suppose your friend is having fitness. So this is the situation will be given to you. Timing will also be written. So now you have to plan. Sie möchten am Abend ins Kino gehen in der Woche. Within this week you want to go to cinema. So how will you manage? How will you manage things so that you can go? Then you will converse with the partner. Hallo, guten Tag. Is there say you can write Hallo, guten Tag or guten Abend, whatever the timing will be there. Okay, guten Morgen, wie geht's? And then wollen wir am Montag um 6 ins Kino gehen? You will say this, or your partner. Then he will say, Ja, ich will. Yes, I want. You are asking, would we like to go to cinema on Monday? Then he will say, yeah, I want. Yes, I want. Aber ich habe Fitnessclub. Aber ich habe Fitnessclub. Ich habe Fitnessclub, deshalb kann ich nicht gehen. He will say, I have fitness class. I have to go to fitness club, fitness studio. Ich gehe ins fitness studio. He is busy. So, fitness studio. So leider können wir nicht gehen. Unfortunately, we cannot go. And then you will come to another conclusion. You will ask him or he will ask you, okay, dann am Dienstag, he will say, am Dienstag. Then you will say, oh, Dienstag habe ich Sprachkurs. Leider habe ich Sprachkurs. Dienstag habe ich Sprachkurs. So ich kann leider nicht gehen. I cannot go. I have a language course. Ich kann nicht gehen. And then you will suggest here, okay, Mittwoch. Then he will say, am Mittwoch gehe ich mit Paul Restaurant. I'll go to cinema restaurant. Huh? He will say, am Mittwoch gehe ich ins Restaurant with anyone. So this is also not possible. So this is the situation you can see. Both of you are occupied. Both of you have your own schedule. So how will you manage? This is the thing you have to manage finally. How will you go? He will say, I have a language course. Then you say, I will go with someone in the restaurant. Then you will say, okay, what about dann Freitag gehen wir am Freitagabend. You will say, Freitag habe ich Fitnessstudio. I have gym. I have to go to gym. Am Freitag gehe ich ins Fitnessstudio. Das ist nicht möglich. It's not possible. Das ist nicht möglich. This way you can say, das ist nicht möglich. You can speak like this. It's not possible. I will go Freitag nicht möglich. Like this you can say. So at the end you will come to the conclusion. So am Ende in the end. What will you say am Ende? Okay, am Samstag wollen wir am Samstag gehen. So Samstag is remaining or Sunday is remaining. So you will say am Samstag. Then he will say, okay, ich schaffe am Samstag. One of you have to compromise. Ich schaffe am Samstag Abend. Da können wir gehen. Da können wir ins Kino gehen. There we can go to cinema. So at the end you have to decide. So in the end you have to decide. You have to come to a conclusion. So that is Samstag. Samstag is finally decided by both of you. This is the perfect day. You can manage. Ich schaffe. Okay, wir gehen ins Kino. You will go to cinema, and this was the topic given to you. In this way, you will come to a conclusion in the end. You have to reach a conclusion, and that will be the perfect conversation, discussion between you. So you have to come to the conclusion. So this is the way you will attempt this Teil 3 A2 level German exam. So in the next video, I will come up with some other topics. I hope you enjoy this. Keep watching German class. Keep learning with me. Bye bye. Take care.